Hello, my name is Zach, and I like to backpack around the world. Good afternoon from Mexico City. It is finally a beautiful day here. The past 2 days have been very gloomy, very rainy. A bunch of arts and crafts shit going on over here. Some kind of festival. I'm feeling pretty hungry, so I'm gonna try to find some al pastor street tacos around here. Maybe, possibly. Very beautiful trees over here. I really do like them. I like the shorter ones because they look like pineapple trees, in my opinion. I'm gonna go after this bus. Or not. I know there's some good al pastor street tacos near this hotel that I stayed at a long time ago. Can't even remember when. I've been to Mexico City so many times. This is a beautiful area though, for real. But once you start walking outside of it, it starts getting more dodgy and sketchy. Prostitutes and questionable people you gotta watch out for, but during the day you're fine. At night I would be a lot more cautious and I would not film myself or have my GoPro out at night, especially when I'm alone. All right, let's go get some al pastor street tacos. Here's a cute little pineapple tree. Around this corner there should be some street tacos for me to around this corner there should be some street tacos for me to consume. We will see. Bingo. All right, that place did not have any al pastor tacos. It usually does, so I guess they changed their menu since the last time I've been there. Let's see what else I can find. My first Coca-Cola of the day. So good. Now to find some al pastor tacos somewhere. Surely they're somewhere around this area. I'm out of breath. Pretty cool looking shrine over there. Nothing like Thailand, but you know what I mean. Well, I am back nearby my hotel. I could not find any al pastor tacos in the area, so I came back over here. I'm sure there were some. I just wasn't looking hard enough. Oh well, I don't care. I don't want to eat tacos at the same place I've been eating them for the past few days. Switch things up. Although it is kind of good. By the way, it smells like straight up dog shit in this area. Never mind, I guess I will get tacos at the same place I've been getting them. The other al pastor taco stand doesn't look that good. Well, those tacos were okay. Not the best, not the worst. They're okay. There's my hotel. I'm just gonna walk around this side for a minute. I'm trying to get comfortable on video again. After taking that 2-3 month break, kind of messed me up. So I'm trying to get back into the routine of talking on camera, even if there's people surrounding me. My next trip after this is going to be to Kansas City, Missouri. So I'm going to try to go to like national parks and whatever on that trip, state parks, so I can practice being on camera more. But other than that, yeah, I'm going to go back to my hotel and chill for a minute, see what I'm going to do tonight. I was on Tinder Tuesday, I believe. No, not Tuesday, Wednesday. And I've linked up with a few people. Hopefully one of them comes through. We can hang out tonight, go get a beer. I'm not trying to have sex with anybody. Although if it's offered, then I swiped right for a reason. You're cute. So. Although if it happens, I'm not gonna turn it down. I swiped right for a reason, because they're most likely cute. I'm not gonna swipe right on somebody that I have no interest in going on a date with. All right, let's go back into my hotel and chill. I kind of want to go to OXXO and get a Coke. Yeah, let's do that. Look at this car. Pretty cool. Well, it is no longer a beautiful day here in Mexico City. It's an ugly day now in Mexico City. If you come to Mexico City in the summertime, be prepared for rain, because I came here last summer. Same shit. If you want a dry experience in Mexico City, my advice is to come in December, January, February, March, April. May, June, July, August is when it starts to get very rainy, very ugly, very gloomy. Anyways, I'm gonna finish watching the UFC 238 weigh-ins. Right now, Marlon Moraes is stepping up to the scale. Then they're gonna have Henry Cejudo for this fight. I'm going for Marlon Moraes. Did you know that this guy right here, he's an Olympic gold medalist? There it is. I don't know if you can see the screen or not. What a loser. Gonna be a good fight. Gonna be a phenomenal fight. Cannot wait to watch it here in Mexico City. Well, I'm about to start heading out, but first, I need to fix that. I need a haircut, to be honest, but I don't have time for that shit. Anyways, I'm about to meet up with a friend off of Tinder. I guess I can call her a friend. I don't think it's going to be anything other than just meet up, have a beer, have something to eat. She wants to go to Chili's, so I'm cool with that. I know people like to criticize other people, travelers, who don't eat local food 100% of the time of their travels. Me, I like to mix and match. 80% of the time, I want to eat the local food. Then 20% of the time, I want to eat something I'm more used to, more accustomed to, like Chili's, IHOP, McDonald's, sometimes Subway. Subway is good in some countries. In some countries, it's not. Mexico is not good. United States is not good. Canada, depends where you get it in Canada. If you want good Chili's, Spain has a good chili. No, not Chili's. Subway. Spain has a good Subway. England has a good Subway. Germany, France. Yeah, I've had Subway. That part of the world. It's not really good in Thailand. Did I have it in the Philippines? I cannot remember. But about to head out, meet up with my friend. Hopefully have a good time. That's what it's about. See. Gracias.
Missing someone.
These streets are very slick. I'm just waiting on my friend to show up, so I'm just gonna walk around this area for a minute until she gets here. Very gloomy day once again in Mexico City. Still a beautiful city though. Can't take that away from Mexico City. Look at this building over here. Wow. Pretty neat architecture. Beautiful city. Mexico City. Mexican women are some of the most beautiful women in the world. I've been around the world, I would know. Although I've never been to Colombia, so I'm sure they might give Mexico a run for their money. Mexico City. These streets are very slippery though, so be careful. When you come to Mexico City, you might want to bring slip-resistant shoes. Definitely.
And how I know that it's like...
Because it's a wide angle.
Okay. Recording?
Yeah. Video.
Hi. Hi. Hi, camera.